Hi guys, so I'm gonna review my singing voices. Never tell anyone about it. Okay, so like and subscribe. If you want to watch my brother's channel, his name is Tom from Marshall. Marshall Tom One. Subscribe and also to his channel and mine. Subscribe and like, comment down below, and let's begin, besties. So my big cousin told me to sing in the name of love, so let's do it. I'm gonna sing a little bit, so not the best. Okay. But you fall in the name of love. When there's madness, when there's poison in your head, when there's sadness, is a bug in your bed. I will hold you in the depth of despair, and it's all in the name of love. Okay, so that was in the name of love. Now, everyone requested me to sing what it sounds like from K-pop Demon Hunter, so let's do it. Okay. I brought nothing but the proof now. The worst is where they came from. Patterns I'm ashamed of. Things that even I don't understand. I try to fix it. I try to fight it. My head was twisted. My heart divided. My lies are climbing. I don't know why I didn't trust you to be on my side. I broke into a million pieces and I can't go back, but now I'm seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The stars above me, darkness and harmony. My the light is. I don't know why I didn't trust the light to lead me instead. I had the wall, and now I'm seeing all the light. I have the wall. I don't know why I didn't let the light lead me instead. Something was underneath. I found your harmony. I broke into a million pieces. I can't go back. We're still survivors, the dreamers, the fighters. I'm tired, but let's dive in the sun. Okay, then soda pop. Here I can drink of every drop I drink of. You're my soda pop, my little soda pop. Okay, then we have to soda pop. So let's do 3. Let's skip 3 this round. Let's do apapate. Apatete, apapate, apapate. Kissy face. And no. Okay, so you have a bit of apapate. And let's do one more bit of in the name of love. Therefore, I don't know why in the morning, like the fire's gonna burn. Would you walk in? Would you let me do it first? Do it all in the name of love. Okay, so bye girlies. Like, subscribe, comment, check out my brother's channel, Mashaton Fano Mashton